In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code A02440022 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. Click the Run button to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. After running the Windows Update troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. If you have any third-party antivirus softwares or firewall programs, just simply try to temporarily disable that aside from that you have on your Windows 11. Then we can perform the DISM scan. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as administrator on the right pane. Click Yes. And then there is a command that will be posted in the description box below. Control C to copy. Control V and hit enter. So the DISM scan will begin. Just simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. You just need to patiently wait for this because this might take a while, but after you have successfully performed it, restart your Windows. Then the last thing that you can do is to manually download the updates by going into the Microsoft Update Catalog. So open any browser and search for Microsoft Update Catalog. Click on it from www.catalog.update.microsoft.com. Simply search for the latest date or the date as to when you're going to, or the current date as to when you're going to, like download the update. So let's say, for example, today is June 24. So type 6/24, 2025. Click on the search bar and the latest updates will be available from here. So simply click on the download button. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.